Today we are going to see uh, the programming with the Arduino. What we are doing is we are using IR sensor, and with the help of sensor we are turning on the LED and we are turning it off. It is not only that we can turn off or turn on only LED. We can turn off, turn on different devices as required, as we need. So if we see here, the moment this is the sensor, this is the sender part, and this is the receiver part. So it sends the IR rays through the white LED, and this is the LED. This is a special LED. It will receive the IR radiation. So the moment I put my hand over here, the LED is turned on. This is what we are doing. So it is not only LED that we can turn off or turn on. Different devices can be done with the help of IR sensors. And this part we call it as the sensitivity. What we call sensitivity. Uh, this part we can call it as potentiometer, and this will help us to set the sensitivity value for these LEDs. Now here we have output pin, ground pin, and VCC pin. Okay, so similarly we have connected these things to the Arduino board or to the respective pins. For example, output pin is connected to the fourth pin on a digital section, and the ground pin is connected to the ground section, common ground section with the LED, and we have VCC we have connected to the 5 volts on power section. And after that, as as usual, we have done LED connection with the help of 330 ohm, and this is a positive terminal connected, positive terminal of the LED connected to the second pin of the digital section, and this is the USB connection to the Arduino. So now let us see the program. Here the code is same as that of the sensor, last what we did. Okay, so this one is int btn value 1 equal to 0, sensor pin equal to 4, and LED 1 equal to 2. We have connected LED 1 on a second pin, and sensor pin on fourth pin. So similarly we are taking the input from the sensor, and on LED we are taking the output. Okay, now into inside the loop, for a kind of information, this void setup method will be executed only once, and this void loop will be executed until we want to get out of the loop. So here we have int button value 1 equal to digital read sensor pin. So here we are reading the sensor pin from the fourth pin of the digital section, and after that I'm just printing on a serial monitor serial.println button value 1, serial.println button value 1. So whatever the button value we get, suppose if we touch, uh, if my hand is there, the button value will be 1. If my hand is not there, if the IR sensor is not sensing my hand, then button value will be 0. This is 1, this is 0. 1, LED is turned on, it is sensing, and it is storing the value in a variable button value 1. In that variable we are storing 1 as a value. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So when the button value 1, button value equal to 1, digital write, what we are doing, we are writing to the LED that it should be low. Okay, else button value 1 equal to 0. Here we have done little bit adjustment. So when it is a 1 it will be low, and when it will be 0 it will be high. High means the existence of the current. That's all about this, about the coding part. Now let us take one object and let us do the experiment. So this is a handset, mobile handset. We can just place it in front of the IR sensors, and it will turn on the LED. If I remove the mobile handset, then it will turn on, turn off. Of device, anything like turning or opening the windows, or opening the doors right in front of the of your house, or you have seen in big bazaar that the moment we go to the particular place, the doors get opened. Similarly, we can turn off or turn on any devices with the help of sensor. So these are IR sensor. So this is the sender which sends the IR rays, and this is the receiver. And this IR sensor will sense the motion as well as the object. That's all about the this program setup, and I hope you all like this video. Please hit a like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you.